There was no shortage of news at the 2017 Aircraft Interiors Expo in Hamburg. Among the major connectivity announcements made at the show was one by AIX, which will add Inmarsat's GX aviation connectivity to its Roki in-flight entertainment system. Up next, Panasonic Avionics unveiled a new hyper-personalized in-flight entertainment and connectivity platform, aptly named Next. Gogo also generated buzz at the show, following announcements that it has been selected by Airbus as a lead supplier for its high-bandwidth connectivity program. On the cabin seating front, Recaro debuted the Crystal Cabin Award-winning Airbus A320 Smart Cabin Reconfiguration Flex Seat and shared that it would be equipping Alaska Airlines' new Boeing aircraft with economy and business class seats. Air New Zealand was announced as launch customer of Acro's lightweight Series 6 seat, and Lift by Encore unveiled the second addition to its tourist class seating product line, an economy class seat designed uniquely for the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Across the hall at the World Travel, Catering and Onboard Services Expo, Michelin star chef Michael Sargent cooked up tastings of his American Airlines menu, and companies exhibited products that reveal trends in hydration and free-from foods for passengers with dietary restrictions. We hope to see you in Berlin from April 24th to the 26th for APEX Multimedia Market.